Hi guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload videos on Canva. So if you want to edit a video on Canva, but first you need to upload it, and I'm going to show you how to upload the video. So what you need to do is you can just go to the upload menu at the left panel, and then here go to videos, and then click on upload media to upload the video, and then find the videos that you want to upload. So for example, I want to upload this video. Just click on the video and click on open. Okay, so just like that, the video will be uploaded here, and then you can just wait until the video is successfully uploaded in your Canva. So that's the first option. There is also the second option that you can use. You can just find your video file first in your file explorer, for example, and then you can just drag the video into this page right away. So just click on video and drag it, and then it will also upload it as this one. So it just like you copy the video, so just like that the video will be show out at the page and at the upload page right here. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can upload videos in Canva. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.